Hi, Lee from Cabot here, and in this video I'll show you just how easy it is to cover up small marks on interior timber using Cabot's touch-up stain pens. In between the kids playing, pets and foot traffic, your floorboards and furniture are sure to get chipped and scratched. That's where our touch-up stain pens come in. These pens are specifically designed to quickly and easily disguise any chips and scratches. You won't need much to complete this project, just your Cabot's touch-up stain pen, a scrap piece of paper and a cloth. It's as simple as that. Make sure to give the touch-up pen a good shake. To get the stain flowing, blot the pen, pressing the tip gently onto a scrap piece of paper. Now let's get started. Ensure your timber surface is clean and dry and free of dust, grease or wax before applying the stain. Start by lightly applying the pen to the damaged area. The fine tip allows for precise application. Cabot's touch-up stain pens dry quickly, so you don't have to wait to enjoy the results. Once you've applied the pen, use a dry cloth to wipe away any excess stain. And that's it. With Cabot's touch-up stain pens, you'll be able to disguise any chips and scratches with ease, leaving you to relax while you watch your kids and pets run amok.